Hello, welcome to Slack Math Take here on the order of operations. So the order of operations is a set of rules we use to clarify the procedures to be formed for a given mathematical expression. That's kind of the formal thing, but basically it's just a way to allow us to communicate so that 5 plus 3 times 2 means the same thing to me as it does to you. So in order to do the order of operations, or use the order of operations, you need to use something here called parentheses, exponents, which are those little numbers up high, 5 squared or 3 to the 4th power. Multiplication or division, so you've got multiplication, can be written like 5 times 2, but it can also be written like 5 dot 2. Division, 8 divided by 4, but it can also be written as 8 divided by 4. Addition or subtraction, so you've got like 5 plus 8. Subtraction could be something like 5 minus 8. So this order is you want to do parentheses, operations involving parentheses first, then you're going to look for exponents, then multiplication or division. Whatever comes first, looking from left to right, and we'll take a look at an example like that. And the same thing with addition or subtraction, left to right. So in this first example, we have 5 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2, that's the multiplication, and according to the order of operations, we're going to do that before addition. So it's going to be 5 plus 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, of course. That's different than if we didn't have the order of operations. One might say 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. But then our answers wouldn't agree. So we have to have the set of rules that allows us to agree, and that's called the order of operations. The next example here is 3 minus 8 plus 2. So we're going to do parentheses first, which is 8 plus 2 is 10. Then we have 3 minus 10, which is negative 7. A couple of other ones here. Now this one here is a fraction with an expression in the numerator, or the top of the fraction. Now there are no parentheses here, but the parentheses are kind of implied in that numerator. So in other words, we're going to try to simplify that before we divide by 2. So in that numerator, you have exponents coming before subtraction. So this is going to be 8 minus 4, because that's 2 to the 2nd power, divided by 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. And our last step is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And for the final one here, you've got 12 divided by 3 times 2. So according to the order of operations, we're going to look at multiplication or division going from left to right. So the first thing we see is division going from left to right. So we're going to actually divide 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Multiply that by 2, 8.